Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are diving into the world of Azure SQL Database. Microsoft like most powerful fully managed database has service solution. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this video will give you a clear understanding of what an Azure SQL database is and why is it important. So yeah, let's get started. So uh, SQL database is the relational, like I can say, database service like provided by Microsoft Azure. It's built on the SQL Server engine, but takes the hassle out of managing infrastructures. Like we can say, in think of it has a database that already to use without the need to worry about like hardwares, operating systems, or database maintenance tasks like teaching backups, like patching or updates. So yeah, so a diagram showing Azure SQL database compared to on-premise database and like infrastructure has a service, platform has a service, software has a service. So yeah, uh, we can say instead of focusing on managing servers, you can spend more time building application and solving business problems. So if I can talk about the key features of Azure SQL servers, so yeah, let's quickly go over some key features of Azure SQL database that make it stand out. I think it's we are fully managed. Microsoft handles updates, backups, and scaling for you. It can be a high availability, also built-in redundancy, ensure your data is always available with a service level agreement SLA of up to like 99.995%. We can also add like it here the scalability here, scale up or down easily to meet your like workload demands. It contains the security feature also, like advanced data protection feature like encryption, threat detection, and network isolation. So we can if we go furthermore, we can use like the term performance optimization also, like features like automatic turning help you achieve optimal performance without manual interventions. Yeah, that's all I think the key features here. And if you talk about the deployment models, so Azure SQL database offers multiple deployment options to fit your needs, like single database, ideal for like isolated workloads. Elastic pool share resources across multiple databases for cost efficiency. We can also use the as a managed instances, provide like nearly 100% compatibility with on-premise SQL Server. So yeah, in our mind, we have a question like why choose Azure SQL database. So yeah, in my opinion, here's why Azure SQL database might be a great choice for your next project. Will be like it reduces administrative overhead, like provide enterprise grade reliability and security. It can also be an integrate seamlessly with other Azure services for modern app development. Yeah, if you can talk about the pricing and free tier, pricing is like flexible with options for both vCore base and DTU base models, so allowing you basically to choose what the best for your budget and workload. Yeah, and here's like the best part: Azure often offers a free trial, so you can start exploring without spending a and you can say like if we going to talk about the Azure infrastructure, it can be used as in the Azure Active Directory, Azure Security Center, like Azure Data Center basically, like yeah. And that's a wrap. Like Azure SQL database is a game changer for modern application, offering like flexibility, performance, and reliability. If you are interested in learning how to set up and use Azure SQL Database. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Will be a hands-on lab sessions where will be a deep dive into the practical demos. Yeah, in the end, I would like to say that if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your questions or suggestion in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.